Hello valued friends, welcome to Bright Solar Video. How do we make the best foldable solar panel for you? Let's take a look at our production process from start to finish. Firstly, we start the production process by selecting high-quality materials. We use 900D waterproof Oxford fabric for our foldable solar panels. Before production, all fabric has passed waterproof testing to ensure it meets our quality requirements. The fabric is tested according to environmental protection standards to ensure long-term outdoor durability. After preparing all materials, we use automated sewing equipment and customized molds to precisely position our foldable solar panels. This can improve production consistency, ensure accurate installation of every accessory, reduce material waste, minimize fabric damage, and improve overall product quality. And then we bond the fabric layers with the solar panel, which allows the product to be repeatedly folded and unfolded during daily use. This process also provides a better foundation for the next sewing step. Regarding the inner frame assembly, we use precision manual stitching to secure the solar panel's inner frame. This not only ensures the panel's durability and robustness, but also meets the requirements for repeated folding during outdoor use.
Then we focus on the electrical connection process. We employ eco-friendly, lead-free tin soldering technology. This not only meets environmental standards, but also ensures the reliability of internal electrical connections within the solar panels, while enhancing product safety and long-term stability. We use 3M fiber adhesive tape to secure the flat cables and cover the soldering points to provide insulation. The flat cables feature an insulated outer layer, providing additional protection, preventing internal wires from being damaged during repeated folding, and preventing short circuits or water leakage caused by damaged or detached wiring. After installing all internal components, we sew the remaining parts onto the solar panel assembly, thereby completing the overall structure of the foldable solar panel. This step ensures the structural strength and durability of the final product. To facilitate easy securing or mounting of the solar panels across various applications, such as camping, RVs, boats, or outdoor equipment, we have equipped them with sturdy metal eyelets. Before packaging, every solar panel goes through strict testing to ensure the product meets design specifications. Each solar panel is carefully cleaned by us before packaging, including removing dust, fingerprints, and production residues to ensure a clean appearance before packaging. Finally, we properly package the solar panels to avoid damage during transportation and ensure customers receive the products in perfect condition. If you want to know more about us or customize your brand, please contact us via follow information